Hi there. Welcome to this how-to to establish a connection with your Telegram bot. In this particular case scenario, I'm going to show you how to establish a successful connection with Telegram. And to do so, you need two things. You need access to the Quickwork Journey Builder, which I've got on my left-hand side, and the Telegram on the right-hand side. In your Telegram bot, or rather the Telegram messaging platform, you need to go ahead and search for something called as a bot father, right? It's just like a godfather for creating bots in Telegram. Now in here, your choice is to click on the start. If you are already used this thing, you won't have to click on this button. When you click on the start button, you will be presented with this series of options with slash command. We are mainly interested in typing in slash new bot. Okay, I'm going to choose that. I'm going to call this Quickwork sample bot, whatever you want to call this. Now you need to choose a username. I'm going to keep it the same, Quickwork sample bot. But here, keep in mind that you need to have the word bot as your username, otherwise it will reject it. I'm done. And now it says, hey, congratulations, your bot is ready. I'm just going to copy this text because there's some relevant information in here. So first things first, you need to note that you get an API token, which you can see over here. Now you need to copy that piece of token because you're going to need it now for the purpose of linking it over here. So I'm going to come back to the journey builder. In the trigger, I've created a new, first of all, I've created a new journey. I've chosen a trigger called as Telegram, and I've chosen trigger event as get new text message. I can create a new connection and click on the link account button, and I'm going to call this my sample bot connection. You can call it whatever you like. In the next section, you have to paste your API key and click on the link account. Once you do that, your account is now linked. So that's a successful linking completed. Now in the Telegram steps, I'm just going to reply with a standard message saying that Telegram, send a text message, and I'm going to reply with a message saying that, hey there, how are you doing? Question mark. It also requires us to enter a chat ID. Now we don't need to overanalyze in this section. We can simply go to the app data, scroll down, and you'll see a chat section and there will be an ID. You can just drag and drop this chat ID in here, and that's it. Save and start this journey. Now you will probably see there's no history, there's no actions performed yet. Now let's come back to our Telegram bot and let's also click on this link over here, which is basically taking me to my bot. And now when I hit start, it should now say, hey there, how are you doing? And if I refresh this, you will see that I got my first ever integration completed with Telegram, and I can successfully see that message coming in. And now you can build your bot as per your choice. So I hope this video demonstration helped you in establishing a connection with Telegram. Thank you very much.